This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life. So here we are yet on another dive where we continued getting our PADI certificates for scuba diving. This time we went down to about 90 feet and explored a wreck. It seems to be a lot less colorful the deeper you dive. This is one of the Disney ships coming into port. Many times the cruise ships turn around to back in before docking, but this time they didn't. We went up to New England for a week and stopped to visit an uncle and cousins at their farmhouse in southern Vermont. First on the agenda was a chat with Uncle George, where he was sitting in his sunny living room. Then we went out to the stables to check out the horses. Melanie really enjoyed being up close to them, and many of our visits over the past years included horseback riding, but not this time. Here's a quick view of the yard and corral plus the house. The front part of the farmhouse was built in 1792, and at least that's what we learned recently, and the rest of it was added on over the years. Here's Dave's cousin Sarah and our friend Dave chatting at the fence. His cousin Sue, Melanie, and me. The chicken coop and the pen were not keeping the chickens in. They were escaping through a hole in the fence at the back of the coop. It had to be fixed to keep the foxes out. Otherwise, they were going to end up having chicken for dinner. Take a tour of the farmhouse. This is the kitchen, which had been redone in the 90s. This section used to be the pantry. It was opened up with added windows and a seating area. They did keep the old kitchen sink, which holds lots of dishes. Down the hall from the kitchen is a more modernized bathroom. Off to the side of the kitchen is a dining room. We've managed to seat up to 24 people in this room for Thanksgiving dinner one year. Now we're heading down the hallway towards the front door. To the left is a bedroom, and it actually looks like there are steps so the dog can get on the bed. To the right is a living room, and between that and the dining room is the gun room. That's what they call it. This room is a drop-off for luggage, coats, and musical instruments. So let's go back and check out the upstairs. The walls still have the old wallpaper throughout most of the house. At the top of the stairs is another bathroom with an old-fashioned tub. Down the hall and to the right is a bedroom with a fireplace that's never used. It might be even closed in. To the left is yet another bedroom. Back down the hall and across from the bathroom is another small bedroom. They keep this door closed to cut down on heating costs, and it can get quite cold in there. To the rear of the house over the kitchen used to be the attic. It was converted to a family room, office, and loft area where the kids ended up sleeping. It is a great hangout place for everyone as well. In fact, at the end of Thanksgiving dinner, we'd all go up there and kind of hang out. Another set of stairs goes down to the dining room. And then out the side door where Dave and his cousin Sue are sitting. It was a nice visit, and now it's time to get back to the boat. We want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.